Oh yeah, she's firing. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's a chimney. Plenty of vapor. Let's add some more to it. I am using HurricaneVapor. This is off their storm line. And this is the Sunset Cavendish. It's a 1.3 ohm coil, single coil, and a mechanical. And I am vaping it on the tightest I can get it. Alright, first off, before I vape, well, let's have vape first. Very good. Very good. This is a real bold tobacco. You can probably hear my dog Junior in the background. It's a real bold tobacco. I get two flavors from it. I don't know if you ever chewed tobacco. Red Man. I get that Red Man taste. But I also get a pipe tobacco taste. Like smoking a pipe. And it smells like pipe tobacco. I love the flavor. I could vape this for an all-day vape. I really could. The negative that I do not like, I vaped this, I don't know, for about an hour. Went out to my building, messing around, getting caught up on some work. Went out there and came back in an hour and a half later. Came back here to the office. I was like, wow, smells like someone's been smoking a pipe back here. That's the negative. How long does the smell of that stay in your house? I don't, even when I smoke cigarettes, I did not smoke in the house because cigarettes stink. That's the bad. I like the smell of this, but you don't want it stuck in your house all the time. That's the negative. But I think it'd go away. But by tomorrow, I think it'd be gone. Today, it won't because I've been vaping this like crazy. And I'm still vaping it like crazy. Let's have another vape. So yummy. It is. It's like pipe tobacco and Red Man chewing tobacco in one. So if you're a pipe smoker, you want that stuff. And the other one I done, the Vanilla Sky tobacco, it was real sweet. I mean, you get the tobacco taste, but it was sweeter. This is real bold. I like it. I like it a lot. You can see the color of it. They're a top shelf company. The quality to me stands out. It's definitely above a lot of the juice companies I've tried. I would highly recommend them. And I have another flavor I was supposed to do for them. It was the papaya milkshake. But the bad thing is, you know how you get that real light seam going all the way around your bottle where it was molded together. Somehow or another, I got a crack in it. And all the juice leaked out everywhere. It made a mess. It smelled good, but it made a mess. So yes, definitely give them a shot. They're well worth it. I think they're one of the better companies out there. Shipping is outstanding. I don't know what my dog's barking at, but he's pitching a fit. Let's drip a little bit more on here and have another vape. And don't forget to leave a comment in these videos because we're going to be doing a giveaway of 2 of their flavors. and hold on, work with me, people. That's good. That's so yummy. It makes you want to smoke a pipe. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but man, that stuff's good. My wife's in California. She's gonna kill me if the house smells like this when she comes home. Vapor production isn't as thick on this as some of their other flavors. I don't know why. It's still a 50-50 mix. 6 milligram of nicotine. Seemed like all the vapor would be the same, but it's not. This here is not quite as dense as the other flavors I've tried. But I highly recommend them. Michael's going to be doing a review of a few flavors. I am all out. This was unfortunately my last review for them until hopefully I get some more product from them. And we'll be doing another video for a giveaway for the pineapple cheesecake and the vanilla sky tobacco. So start leaving comments, subscribe, and also if you tried flavors of theirs, let us know what flavors you've tried. Thanks. Later.